Sadiq Bhai is there, we will start with him. है ना?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, Sadiq Bhai.
I'm so sorry for being late.
No, I understand. See, that is how this thing is, na? Life is, yaar. We understand the situation.
I was trying to leave by 5, but unfortunately there was a very heavy rain shower. So I was locked in and I was on a bike. So
yeah. So on behalf of the Entrepreneurship Forum of MCCI, I would like to welcome our guest speaker for today, Mr. Sadiq Sagar. He is a master's in pharmacy, pharmaceutical sciences, and he is a topper in the college in his master's course. किसका आवाज आ रहा है बैकग्राउंड जरा प्लीज बंद कर दीजिए, साइलेंट कर दीजिए अपने आप को. और उन्होंने मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट में भी मास्टर्स किया है, यानी डबल मास्टर्स है, मास्टर के मास्टर है. और बाय प्रोफेशन ही हैज अ वेरी कलरफुल प्रोफाइल, यानी उनका एक बिजनेस है कलरमैन पेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स करके, जहां पे वो पेंट्स ये करते हैं, बेचते हैं, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं. और उसके अंदर जो है डेकोरेटिव पेंट्स है, ऑटोमोटिव पेंट्स है, इंडस्ट्रियल पेंट्स है, सब तरह के ये है. फिर उसके अलावा उनका पेंटिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग का बिजनेस है. फिर उनका तीसरा जो प्रोफाइल है वो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के ऊपर है, इन्वेस्टिंग मेड इजी, जिसके अंदर शेयर मार्केट एजुकेशन, इन्वेस्टिंग सर्विसेज वगैरह है. उनकी मिसेस भी हाईली क्वालिफाइड है और वो असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर है कॉलेज में, एमए इन इंग्लिश है एंड बैचलर्स इन एजुकेशन है. एंड ये अपने एमसीसीआई के प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर निसार सागर के बेटे हैं. इन्होंने रोटरी क्लब में बहुत ही एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व है, कुछ 3 साल हो गए उनको ज्वाइन करके, और वहां पे गए 2019-2020 में he was the vice president and he got the best performance award in fundraising. उनका विजन जो है to unlock the potential of Rotary by giving back to the community, bringing creative projects, spreading the power of optimism and be inspired by it. Ladies and gentlemen, I now welcome Sadiq Bhai, Sadiq Sagar. Welcome to our and thank you for coming and joining us. I'm sure you will have a lot of inspiring things to share with our children. Yeah, participants.
Yes.
Please.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you for a very wonderful introduction. And actually, that I had to share that profile of mine that I had shared for Rotary. So, in fact, I am the president. In fact, I am the chairman of the Rotary Satellite Club of Pune Cantonment that has started this year itself. And that for that I had shared that profile. So I was running late anyway. I'm so sorry for being late today, and due to some climatic conditions and all those things, and due to the lockdown, I had to come up, have a bath as I came home. So I'll just speak to you about some part of my journey and some inspiration that I had got from some idols of mine and some heroes of mine. So, yes, everybody can hear me, right?
Right. We can hear you very clearly.
Is it better if I do it in English, or is it better if I do it in Hindi?
Mix कीजिए English.
Acha, okay. I'll do a little bit mix of both. So, as Mustafa Bhai told you, I am a basic pharma graduate. So, I started studying pharmacy. I did masters in pharmacy. I was a topper in my batch, meaning I was really good at pharmacy. I worked about 5 years in the pharma industry, and then something happened that I felt that this pharma industry doesn't have a business potential. And all my life I wanted to do business, and somehow that business wasn't starting. So I had to leave my first love, that is pharmacy, and I had to go into and venture into other businesses. So I came into paints for starting because that was my family business and that was the base that I had. So I developed that base and I tried to increase the sales and increase the numbers in that. So basically what I realized, my first experience in the while doing business is, see, when I was in the company called Sidler Packs and Pharmas, Sidler Pack and Pharmaceuticals. So there we had a pending payment of about 10-12 lakh rupees from a customer. We were really following up that customer, and that wasn't happening. So I was really following that customer. I left that job and I came back here, and within 1 month I with a customer who owed me 40,000 rupees in the business. That customer paid up 40,000 rupees. That 40,000 rupees gave me a lot of happiness, because that 40,000 rupees was mine. And the 10-12 lakh rupees that I was to receive from the other company, I felt that अरे वो company का पैसा अगर आ भी जाता तो I wouldn't have felt as happy as receiving that 40,000 rupees. So that is one inspiration, money. So that drove me towards doing business. One thing I'd like to tell you is that the money is there in doing business. See, entrepreneurs, yes, but mota moti we call them as business. So business mein what happens is, if you see the one who is driving a BMW or who is driving a Audi, that person is not a manager of any company. Even a CEO might think twice to buy an Audi or a BMW, but a factory owner definitely drives a BMW. So that is one inspiration that shows you that the money is always there in the business. A few inspirations that I got, I'll just what my journey was. See, in pharma industry also, from the day one I want to do business. So what I did was I took an experience of all the fields that are there related to business. So it is very easy for you to transit from one business to other. One thing was there, see, pharma, I worked in sales and marketing. I even worked as a scientist for 1.5 years. I worked in clinical trials. I worked in sales. I worked in marketing, and I worked in packing materials also. I worked in Ayurvedic pharma also. So all the range of pharmaceutical products that are there. I worked in a small factory also for some time. That was a part of my research development project. But still, I got a experience to work in a pharma industry as well, in a factory as such. What I learned from this journey, and then I came to paints, and then I came into, now I am doing investing. So it is a very wide contrast of things that I am doing. So I'd like to share one story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In his book, he has written, but he wanted to become an Air Force pilot. So he tried very hard to become an Air Force pilot, and it somehow didn't translate. He went to an academy where they used to train Air Force. Recall the exact place. He met a Swami there.
We missed your voice for a couple of seconds. Yeah. So
yes.
Couple of
so one inspirational story I'd like to tell you is, now I'm audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, one inspirational story that is really affected my life, I tell you, is from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So he wanted, from his heart, wanted to be a Air Force pilot, and he was really striving hard to become one. He went to an academy where they used to train Air Force pilots, and he got rejected from there. And he was very, very disappointed on being rejected from there. He went to some holy place. I think it is Haridwar, can't recall it exactly. He met a Swami there. The Swami gave him an advice to embrace your destiny. Embrace your destiny. मतलब अपने मुकद्दर को गले लगाओ. Don't reject your destiny. So what comes your way, you have to live with that. मतलब in a small way, कि भाई, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. With that message, he had applied for another place where they used to design aircrafts. So he had applied there also, and he went there. he was not really interested in that job, but he got selected, so he embraced it.
We lost you again.
Yeah. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Achha, I think you missed it in some
Yeah.
part.
I think if you switch off your
I'll switch off my audio. Yeah, that is better. This is better.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
So where did I get cut off?
Air Force. He started designing the
aircraft company.
So he started working in the aircraft designing institute. Of course, it's a government job that he was designing, and he embraces his destiny. And now we know where he is today. He's called the Missile Man of India, and he has taken India to such heights that we can now call ourselves a superpower. So all basic technology is developed from his core research itself. Investing, how I came into investing was always my passion. It was always, whenever I used to trade in the stock market, I used to find people asking me questions, okay, how to trade here, how to trade there, how do you make money here? So I felt a need that yes, people do want to make money here and they are not guided. So I thought, okay, see, this is my passion, this is my hobby. Investing was always my hobby. I still love it. I still every day open charts. So I thought of making it as a business. So now I actually went through a total different phase of things, and I got myself trained into all the core things of they are there for offering of the investment part of the things also. I did about 7 or 8 courses, and I picked out what systems suit me, what methods suit me, and now I am here. I have trained a lot of people. I guide a lot of people. Lot of high profile customers are also there with me. High worth net individuals are also there with me who trade my guidance and trade with me, and they are very, very successful in doing so. So what I did here was I turned my hobby, what you can call it, into a profession, and I'm doing really well. I'm really happy, especially in case of this lockdown when my paint shop was shut totally. The other option that I had started as a business, just as one more venture with a very little capital to invest in, and more capital I had invested in the training and the time I had invested in training myself. So that came to my rescue, and because of these 4-5 months, I trained a lot of people, and they're really happy, and I keep on training new people. I get new batches of people every day. 2 or 3 books I'd like to suggest to you that really affected my way of thinking. So there are 2 books. I'm not sure if you guys have read those books. जो पहला बुक है उसका नाम है Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish by Rusty Sir. ये बुक में they've done case studies of some IITians and how they started the business model. Of course, this book is slightly older. Maybe the companies that they are talking about are maybe not known for you, and maybe you know the story. Kabhi shayad kuch companies aise hai that are not doing really well, but you have to maybe go back a few notches and then you understand the story and the inspiration. So one thing you have to understand is that they never gave up. They always kept on trying and trying and trying. The other book, again by the same author, is Connecting the Dots. Connecting the Dots. Here they are not talking about IITians. They are talking about common men. Maybe men who don't have a very professional background, who don't have very professional training, but yet they were very successful in establishing their businesses. How this affected my life, if I tell you, when I came back here, while doing this paint business, I started my own cosmetic business also. I started my own pharma marketing business also. I started a surgical business also. These are the 4-5 businesses that I tried with very little capital. I didn't invest that much, and I tried really hard, but those businesses didn't do well. And I am really happy because maybe वहाँ रोजी नहीं थी. सी रोजी तो अल्लाह के हाथ में है और अल्लाह ही रोजी आपको देगा. The other inspiration and my biggest inspiration, and always my biggest inspiration, is my father, Rotarian Nisar Sagar. He's always been a very big pillar of my strength. Whenever I come to him and I am in doubt कि भाई ये करना है या नहीं करना है या करना है, तो he says just go for it. क्या होगा? He and his brother. In fact, I asked Mustafa sir to invite my uncle Ghaffar Sagar sahab. So I'll tell briefly in just 1 minute. I'll tell their story as well. They started very from absolute zero. In fact, I'll tell you, they started by distributing eggs, home to home delivery of eggs. They did businesses of sale of crackers during जो फटाकड़े हम लोग बेचते हैं दिवाली में गोलीबार मैदान पे. They used to set up a stall, and now we are here. I am really privileged, and you guys are really privileged to have parents who have struggled so much. And our job now is to take this forward, the base that they have created for us. Now it's our job. For example, अभी आप you know कि भाई आज का successful businessman India में जो है, who is Mukesh Ambani. But he had got a platform. I mean, Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani almost got the same equal share of the company. But where Mukesh Ambani has gone and where Anil Ambani has gone. So that shows your dedication. See, equally talent hai. Equally paisa tha. But the dedication and the need to strive hard was the fire that should never go down. I hope that I could justify Mustafa sir calling me here, because I am very relatively new in business. I am still building my blocks. I am still trying to connect my dots. I am still trying to find my space in this business, in my investing business as well. And inshallah, I'll really be successful. And if there are any questions,
mashallah, you are doing pretty well, Sadiq bhai. The reason why we are honestly bringing young professionals and entrepreneurs like you, because what happens is when senior people like Nisar bhai or your uncle Nisar bhai has already been here, he
yes,
inaugurated this whole program. But senior people को जब बुलाते हैं ना, तो उनको बच्चों को लगेगा कि यार ये तो बहुत ये ना ऊंचे लोग हैं, अपने को ये पॉसिबल नहीं है.
बिल्कुल पॉसिबल है सर. देखो कैसा है कि I've seen the project that your people are discussing. I've seen the project that your people are discussing. They are discussing absolutely fabulously very good projects. And see, I'll tell you, stock market mein why I had to struggle in the first bit, because I didn't have a mentor. But once I started getting connected with the right people, with the right knowledge, so I started doing really well. And these people have already have very good mentors in you and Rizwan bhai. So they will really excel in whatever they are planning to do in the future.
Thank you, Sadiq bhai. Thank you. You know, it has been a pleasure to have you with us today. Now I would like to invite our participants to ask questions if there are. Before they are even able to start, I will trigger off one question. Is you know, what was your biggest struggle in your becoming an entrepreneur?
Big struggle. Okay. See, I'll tell you my biggest struggle in terms of my investing business. So investing business, kaisa hai ke there is no one method that works perfectly in the stock market. There are lots of different studies, lots of different indicators, lots of different tools that are there. So my biggest struggle is acquiring that knowledge, and after acquiring that knowledge, picking out what is good for me and what is bad for me, and then finally going and using that knowledge to my advantage and advantage of my clients who are there attached to me. So that has been quite a struggle, and now I've found my space. I am very comfortable in teaching what I like and what systems are working for me, that those systems are working for them
Right.
as well. So this
So
has been
in
a
short,
very
your
good journey.
struggle was gathering knowledge of the expertise of the domain.
Stock market mein what happens is you should know only 10% more than the other person. Generally,
True.
stock market mein people what people do in the stock market. See, maybe I am talking a bit more about stock market. Stock market mein what people do is what they tend to do is they try to trade on emotions. And whenever you trade on emotions, the stock market punishes you like anything.
Yeah.
The other thing I'd like to add, one point I missed out was the need of the stock market. See, why I came into this business, there is a need for the customers. Only 2% people in India invest in the stock market. In US, there are about 40 to 50% people who invest and actively trade in the stock market. So here I found that yes, as India is progressing, because we are here because of the masses. So that 2%, even if it jumps to 5%, that is a lot of people and lot of people that we can target.
Yes, so the market is there
That was
and
one
there is a
vision.
potential also.
Very, very huge potential that is there.
Yeah. Any other questions anybody would like to ask Nisar bhai? I mean, Sadiq bhai?
Yeah.
Rizwan bhai, probably you had a question.
Yeah, I have questions, but before that, I think you discontinued that point. Why we are calling it young entrepreneur? If you could finish this is very important here.
So the whole idea is that the mentality is that we need to promote is I can do it myself also. So what happens is you are maybe a little ahead of the participants here, and that inspires them. मैं अगर कल ओलंपिक का स्पोर्ट्समैन को लाके बिठा दूं तो लोग बोलेंगे अरे बाप रे ये बहुत बड़ा आदमी है, अपने को इसके साथ जाना मुश्किल है, मगर स्टेट चैंपियन को अगर लाके उनके साथ कॉम्पीट करवाऊं तो हाँ मुमकिन है, ऐसा फीलिंग आएगा. इसलिए खास हम जो है यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को बुला रहे हैं, आइकॉन नहीं बुला रहे हैं आइकॉन्स को, क्योंकि वो बहुत ऊंचाई पे होते हैं ना, तो लोग डर जाते हैं. Yeah, Sohail I think had a question. Yeah, how do you set up product cost and how can you learn stock market, because we don't have any idea? Is there some place where they can learn?
Product cost, well, I'll see there are two parts. Of course, I'll answer both.
Product cost हम लोग अपना presentation में लेने वाले हैं.
But I'll tell you my way of doing things.
Yeah.
See, product cost wise, see, I'll tell you what I am teaching right now in the stock market. The fees that I'm teaching you is almost negligible. Maybe in one trade only that you can recover that fees. Maybe in hardly in one trade. Why I started with such a low cost is basically I wanted to bring out a product. I wanted to establish myself as a trainer in the stock market. See, knowledge, I have a lot of knowledge, but there are other crocodiles in the field who are already there and who have trained. See, I have trained about a few people, but they have already crossed and trained thousands of people. Maybe 1,000, 2,000 is the figure that they have trained. So to compete against them, they are charging anywhere between 25,000 rupees to even lakhs of rupees. So what we product, while one reference that you need to take is the market scenario, what the market is. The other thing is you have to bring out a minimum viable product that you have there. Matlab a minimum costing product so that you actually start your business, and maybe after that you can still develop your courses, you can still develop your products as you go along. I hope I have answered the first question. The second question is I am a trainer in the stock market, and what I do is I have designed two modules that have worked for me. One is the investing module, the other is the trading module for trading options. So what I charge right now is 1,500 rupees for a 3-day session. For investing as well as trade, there are two different modules, 1500 rupees per module. And if you want to do it one-on-one, there is just one, you and me, no one else, then I have one module. In that frame also I charge a slightly higher, maybe costing about combining 2 or 3 people together, but that training also has a little more value. I hope I answered the question that you was.
Thank you. Anybody else?
Taskin has raised a hand. Yes, Taskin.
Yeah,
please.
Taskin, please go and ask.
Yeah. Hello, Sadik sir.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. तो my question was कि जैसे आपने बोला कि आपने बहुत सारे businesses में switch किया, तो
Yes.
मतलब some kind
And
of
jobs as well.
have been facing. तो
Yes.
मतलब मेरा question is कि एक business को अपने को trial और error का time कितना like देना चाहिए, कि कहाँ पर अपने को boundary decide करनी चाहिए कि बस मतलब इसके आगे इसको नहीं और time देना है.
See what I did. See, Kaisa, I'll give you two ways of doing it. One way is the Gujarati way of doing things. So they say, "Ke bhai, 1000 days." So 1000 days is about 2.5 years. So that is one way of doing things if you're planning to do a long-term business. But once you start the business, once you start doing things, then you will be able to realize within 2 or 3 months, maybe 6 months down the line, whether you really see 1000 days was the old traditional way of doing things. Market is moving really fast. Products are moving. Products are changing really fast. So maybe you don't have that much time, or maybe you don't have that luxury of giving that much time for idea to flourish. So maybe you see whenever you get an idea, you really dedicate yourself to that idea, focus on it. But that answer you will get yourself. I think you are the best judge to analyze. See, I can't give you a time frame for your business. You have to decide for yourself. See, stock market maybe when I started, it felt कि साला मेरे से काम नहीं होगा, मेरे को why will people come to me? There are thousands of mutual fund managers who are there जो professionally charge कर रहे हैं, पैसा ले रहे हैं. I met a few of my friends who I met a friend who is the bank manager, who was the bank. He's the bank manager in Kotak Bank, and he used to handle portfolios worth crores of rupees. I asked him कि भाई मेरे को भी investing करना है and I want to teach people my way of doing things. But your way is totally different. You're doing a job. I want to do it as a business. What my friend, he was actually my roommate in college. He told me कि तू जा, 10 आदमी भी मिले ना, 10 आदमी के साथ भी फोकस कर, 10 आदमी भी के ऊपर 10 आदमी को अच्छे से ट्रेन कर, अच्छे से उनको खड़ा कर, वो 10 आदमी तेरे को और प्रोपोगेट करके और 100 आदमी के पास पहुंचा देंगे. And exactly that happened. कि कैसा है कि I trained one person and that person brought in not 10 people, but they brought in 2 people, 3 people, friends, relatives, और वो chain definitely work करता गया. At times I felt कि ये बंद कर देना चाहिए, जो भी investment है वो निकाल देना चाहिए, खत्म कर देना चाहिए. But you go on, you keep on going. So I think you find your space in due time, and as I told you, you have to embrace your destiny. So you have to embrace your destiny in this also.
Yeah, very well answered. Sadiq bhai, Taskin is into a service industry, counseling for children.
Very nice.
And your answer is very relevant to her. Taskin, I hope you appreciate that point.
Yeah. मतलब this was the
advocacy. See, advocacy is one thing that will drive your business.
Yeah, correct.
See, one. I'll tell you two categories of customers. So one is a customer who buys from you one time. The other who keeps on repeating is your client. And once your client is happy, he becomes your advocate. People have made more levels of this, but for me, these 3 levels are good for me. So you have to turn your customers into your clients into your advocates. So that is the way the business model works.
Okay. And
yeah, I have had lots of questions. Anybody else would like to ask questions, or do we move on to our presentation today?
Taskin has one more question. Let her ask.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Taskin, yeah, please go ahead and ask.
Yeah, so my another question was like आपकी कौन कौन सी हैबिट्स ने आपको इस मतलब जो भी बिजनेस में आप ग्रो कर रहे हैं तो आपकी कौन सी हैबिट ने आपको सबसे ज्यादा हेल्प किया टू ग्रो इन इट?
Acha. If you ask my wife what habit I have, see, I never switch off. I never switch off. I never see कैसा है, नौकरी वाले 9 से 5 काम करते हैं, बिजनेस वाले 24 घंटा काम करते हैं.
Correct.
So I never switch off. I always try, and whenever I am on the mobile also, I don't watch time pass things. Sometimes I do watch some movies and things. ऐसा नहीं है, of course you have to have your leisure. But अगर whenever I am on my mobile, I try to design something. अब YouTube पे भी गया तो I try to learn something from what YouTube people are trying to teach, what the market is doing today, and I try to continuously be in the business 24/7. That is one habit. Maybe if you ask my wife, that is a very bad habit of mine. But I feel really happy doing it. So what makes you happy, you have to do that. Of course, you have to be happy always.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This was good. Yes. Thank you.
Anybody else?
Mustafa sir. The last question, probably because we have short of time. Only question which always popped up in my mind is from switching from job to business. This is very tricky point, very critical point. How you could take the decision, Sadiq bhai?
It's a difficult decision to take, sir.
I know it is difficult.
I thought it will be very easy. No, I thought I really experienced. I thought it will be very, very easy to just go off and not receive a salary. But yes, it was difficult, and you have to. वो कैसा है कि some people do it by reserving some salary. Some people just do it out of I had some funds. Yes, I had some funds, and I had the confidence that if this thing doesn't work, I can always go back to that. But if you want, I'll quote a movie. If सबने वो पिक्चर देखा है, बैटमैन राइजिंग, डार्क नाइट राइजिंग?
अच्छा,
देखा है डार्क नाइट राइजिंग?
नहीं,
डार्क नाइट राइजिंग, you should watch that movie. It's a very good movie, of course.
Okay.
Batman is trapped in a jail that is in the form of a well.
Okay.
वो वेल में से निकलने के लिए वो रोप यूज करके ट्राई करते हैं. रोप क्या है मेरे लिए? वो रोप जो था ना, वो था जब तक वो जॉब था ना, मैं बिजनेस में आ ही नहीं था. बैटमैन भी कोशिश करते हैं कि रोप से बाहर, रोप के जरिए वो कुएं में से बाहर निकलने की, पर वो रोप का सहारा रहता है. जैसे वो एक हद तक जाता है, वो गिर जाता है वापस, और वो रोप उसको बचा लेता है.
अच्छा,
रोप उसको बचा लेता है. तो वो एक उसमें एक जो एल्डर आदमी है, he gives him advice के you try it without rope. When you try it without rope, you will fear death, and that the fear of death will keep you alive.
Okay.
Now that rope is taking out that fear. You feel कि अरे कुछ भी हो गया, गिर गया तो मैं क्या रोप पकड़ लेगा. So you have to learn to cut the rope. जो जॉब है आपका, that is your rope. You feel कि यार ये मेरे को पकड़ के रख रहा है. When you cut your rope and you try to climb the well by yourself, you will definitely be successful.
Achha, you mean to say you took a very risky decision and you
it
tried
has to be a risky decision always, sir.
Sorry?
It always has to be a risky decision, sir.
Because
जो जॉब कर चुके हैं, not only me, हाँ.
In our case, we play safe game. It took us long time, but एक पैर कहीं एक जगह पक्का रख के फिर दूसरी जगह काम करते थे, और दूसरा फिर थोड़ा सा स्ट्रांग होता था तो फिर पहला पैर उठाते थे. इस तरह से सेफ जाते थे. Anyway, Mustafa,
of course, that is one way of doing things, but हम तो बैटमैन हैं, sir. सुपर हीरो है ना, ऐसा थोड़ी करेंगे
ना, तो पानी में कूदना पड़ता है.
अच्छा, okay.
नहीं,
Thank
of
you,
course,
Sagar bhai.
yes,
It has
thank you
been
so much, sir.
really a
Thank you so much for
very
having.
inspiring talk that you have given to the kids, and I'm
Thank you,
sure
sir.
they will be very, they'll take home a lot of lessons. And if you can, in the meantime, ये जो किताबें आपने बोले ना, दो इंस्पायरिंग किताब,
हाँ,
हाँ, I have read both of them. दोनों के नाम डाल दीजिए ना जरा, यानी चैट में to everybody.
Yes, yes, I'll just put.
यानी
Yes,
this will be something that they take home from or this
if I
thing.
can find a few,